So, wired headphones have kind of become a thing of the past. Like, when you used to buy your iPhone or your new Samsung phone, and there would already be wired headphones with a 3.5mm jack inside the box. And we don't really use them anymore. Where normally it's wireless earbuds, wireless headphones, wireless stereo systems, you name it, everything seems to be wireless these days. So if I were to do a video regarding a pair of wired headphones, you'd probably think, why am I going in the past? Well, that's not the case with this video. Today we're looking at a pair of headphones from KZ. These are the AS16 Pros in black, and you'll want to watch the video. Let's get into it. Okay, so normally when it comes to my review, especially when it comes to headphones, I've gone to the time where I no longer review wired headphones like in-ear wire headphones, just the earbuds, because they are definitely older. They're definitely old, and it's got to the point now where everyone pretty much wants like in-ear headphones, Bluetooth, wireless, all that good stuff. Nobody wants to really be messing around with wired headphones. But with these ones, they're a little bit different. Now, this is from, these are called the AS16 Pro headphones, and they look incredible. So let's have a look, see what we're working with. Now, first of all, unboxing experience amazing. I've got a plaque on the bottom here that says KZ AS16 Pro, 16 drivers, balanced armature earphones. And look at the headphones themselves. Right and left headphones, they are separate at the moment. You do have to plug in the cables, which will come into a little bit in a minute. Now, first of all, unboxing experience amazing. I've got a plaque on the bottom here that says KZ AS16 Pro, 16 drivers, balanced armature earphones. And look at the headphones themselves. Right and left headphones, they are separate at the moment. You do have to plug in the cables, which will come into a little bit in a minute. Now, first of all, unboxing experience amazing. I've got a plaque on the bottom here that says KZ AS16 Pro, 16 drivers, balanced armature earphones. And look at the headphones themselves. Right and left headphones, they are separate at the moment. You do have to plug in the cables, which will come into a little bit in a minute. All that good stuff. It's going to do with the different types of sound pressure. It goes into depth when it comes to that portion of things. Now, the silicone ear tips are very simple. We have the left and right ear cup, as well as the cable. Now, this cable, I know, weirdly enough, is a 3.5mm jack. Now, I can't remember the last time I saw one of those. They've all reverted into actually getting rid of them. So if you're going to use these with the likes of a smartphone or anything like that, and possibly a tablet, you are going to have an adapter. But most laptops and PCs, and still some tablets, do actually have 3.5mm jack. So they have went for more of a clear design for when it comes to the cable. And don't get me wrong, I do like it. And then we have a simple 3.5mm jack on the bottom. Now, on the opposite side, we do have the two cables that actually have to connect into the headphones. So we have them here. They have been wrapped in a thicker line of plastic that goes around to the connector. This is so it can actually loop around your ear. Obviously added that comfort, stops the cable just dangling around. And then on each one of them, we do have two brass actual indicators going on, or two brass pins, which need to be inserted into the headphone himself. So we'll get these plugged in a minute. Now, the headphone itself, this is obviously the right headphone, as it says right. And then we have a few things. So they've got obviously on the side that it's balanced armature. They've got more of a diamond shape going on in the middle, which is really nice. You've got your little 2-pin plug here going on, which is where it actually gets plugged in. But they have went for more of a clear design for the entire headphone, so you can see all the internals, which I really do like. For where the silicone tip goes in, we do have a brass little design going on there, give it a little bit more better look. And then each of the silicone tips, it's hard to see, does have little black grooves in to obviously allow for that little bit more extra comfort. So let's get these plugged in and see what we're working with. So they simply just plug in like that, as we can see. That would go, the earbud goes in your ear, then this goes around your ear, and it is like more of a, it's a soft plastic, but it's a thicker more plastic that's going around the cable itself, so you're not going to have to worry about this part breaking. This will wrap around your ear, allowing for more comfort, and you'll be good to go. So the best thing I can really suggest to do for these guys is we're going to run into some specifications, go for some B-roll, show them off a little bit, show what they can do, and we'll go from there. So these have been designed with a more metal and plastic inlay process, with the clear output design around the side of the headphone, which does allow you to see through all the different components, giving it more of a futuristic design. These are fitted with 8 BA units on each side of the flagship level configurations. Now, the combinations of these 8 BA covers complete the sound range from everywhere from low, medium and high frequencies, and the overall frequency response range roughly around 20 Hz to over 40,000 Hz. Now, like I said, with a 3-channel professional structure, through comprehensive and active airflow, the flow rate of each channel with the help of the modern 3D printed instructor technology will allow you to achieve the purpose of accurately delivering high constant and trustworthy sound without actually skipping a beat. So the hardware inside these headphones do carry some amazing technology, allowing you to tune and give a soulful purpose to your music. Now, the KZ AS16 Pros have a built-in low frequency unit which composes of two 22955 BAs, which provide double the energy output, allowing you for better performance and much more quality sound. So like we did mention with the ergonomic design, while having good wearing experience, this passive noise cancelling headphones effect reaches more than 26 decibels and also giving you the comfort of without realizing they are even there. So if you do want to go check out a headset like this for yourself, please do check the links in the video description, and of course go grab yourself one right now. Now, I don't care what anyone says regarding a pair of wired headphones. These have to be the best wired headphones I have. And I think this pretty much knocks out the park for all the wireless ones I have as well. And I can say that because I have over 100 pairs of wireless headphones and I've tested them out personally on audio tracks to audio quality tests and all this sort of stuff. And I don't think I've seen a pair of headphones like this. It would be quite cool if they were wireless because you won't have to deal with all the wires and everything, but especially like the 3.5mm jack. Some of you may not like that, but some of you may not mind it. But I edited some of my videos with this. I did some audio tracks with this as well, and I have to admit they are phenomenal. They do not miss a single beat. Everything from like high bass to low bass, high treble, high frequency and even low frequency sounds, they are absolutely perfect. I can't figure out something wrong with them. I think the only thing I would have liked is the other colour, because these do come in 2 colours, which is black and cayenne. Is it cayenne or cyan? Cayenne? I think it's cayenne. More of like a teal blue colour. And them ones I did like the colour of. They're wired headphones, don't get me wrong, they will have some surfactants, so if you want to use them with your phone, you're going to have to get adapters. If you want to use them with your computer or laptop, you should be totally fine. But I have to admit, for a pair of headphones that are wired, they are absolutely incredible. 100% blew me away. So if you do have any issues or qualms about these headphones before you go grab a pair, drop them down in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help. If you do check the description, there'll be a link there so you can go grab a pair for yourself. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. Have a good day.